aba batandika no kutambura omutawuni ya Buzibwera bwanyuma kwe kutandika kuceberebwa oburwire bw'ekokoro, shukari, kakonko, pressure n'endwara ezitari kumanywa ngu omuntu nabazine. Umukugamba okwa uri mukuru w'ebyamagara omuri Mbarara district yamanyise abanyambarara ngu ekokoro neyongera bine kucebeza burikire okumanya amagara gabo nko kugemerire.
Honorable MP Dr. Kamara ece kintu nekitusasha itwenga bashamu nekitusasha munonga iyo khandika emibaze oherezo murwira akapapura ngwe jina nyine yahwaho hati je ndoronde emibazi omire ekyo nenshabangu kirondero mubazi
ninyendangu tukwatanisize hamwe munshabire and I want to promise you this ngunaba nchiryo mu parliament Buzibwera netekwa kuhinduka community hospital.
Dr. Nicholas Kamara uri chairman w'akakiko omu parliament hakendwara ezitari kuturira nagira ngu abantu bine kucendeza okunywa soda n'ebintu ebiri kunurira ngu nibyo biri kuleta kansa ya eyongera.
Ekyakabiri twamanyire twamanya ngo turetaga ekintu cyoleta ki esente mwarabuliro amwa ari kugamba TV ati twagara kutunyonyora twagara kintu kimucyo kaki sente nitwe naki abara barwanirira umuntu za kansa abararwanirira indwara za sukari za pressure nitwe turenda mu government eteki abo kuba sente za ziriho.
The ED of Cancer Institute, I'm proud of our institute's contribution to cancer management and care being given to Ugandans and people from the neighboring countries. It is important to know that at the Cancer Institute, we get 20% of our patients are foreigners.
Dr. Mutunji Gerard nuwe yashoma obutumwa wa Dr. Diana Atwine waba aine kuba ori omujenyo mukuru aha mukoro ogu.
I'm truly inspired by the efforts of the Ministry of Health, Uganda Cancer Institute and our partners in non-communicable diseases who have worked tirelessly in raising awareness and providing vital screening services across the region.
Abarwire abari kuhangara n'akakoko ka sirimu bamanyisibwa ngo government ya Uganda neza kugumizamu nebaha obujanjabi ngo batakagira okutina ahabwa president wa America okwemereza obuyambi obubire n'uburuga omihanga lya America. Umugandi mukuru w'ihanga yikiriza okombekwa kwirwaro ryo kujanjaba abarwire b'emitima kutandika kombekwa kandi niriza kumaraho sente eziri kurenga miliyoni sanzu ezadora obwe lirukombekwa omuri naguru Kampala.
We begin a new journey of constructing a world-class cardiovascular facility. This is not to say where we have been is not world-class. You have heard from various people it's very small. But it has all the ultra-modern equipment, but very small.
Umubutumo wa presidenti obwashomwa inganzi y'ihanga nagira ngu nebimwe aha bintu evi government ya NRM eriyo nekorera kurebuka ngu yaisha obuhereza aha muntu.
This growing burden has increased the demand for specialized cardiac care, yet Uganda Heart Institute has long operated in inadequate facilities within Mulago National Referral Hospital. The need for expanded infrastructure and modern equipment has never been greater.
Permanent Secretary w'ekitongole ky'ebyamagara nagira ngu irwariro niriza kuzamu ebitanda ebiri kurenga 25 n'obuhereza bona.
Eddwaliro libaddewo naye nga liri Mulago. Ne okusinziira ennamba y'abalwadde ab'emitima bagenda beeyongera kitukwatako ne twongera facility. So kati wano we tugenda okukola tugenda okuzimba eddwaliro ery'ebitanda 205 nga bijja kubanga nga bitunuulira mainly abalwadde abalina complications za pressure n'emitima, abaana abazaalibwa nga balina ebyo ebituli mu mitima, balina congenital heart diseases, byonna endwadde zonna zikwata ku mutima.
Ndichira Ramazani hamwe na Jimmy Muhumuza.